All right, let's talk about something a lot of people deal with. What do you do when the usual hair loss treatments just stop cutting it? Well, today we're diving into a really cutting-edge approach that goes way beyond the basics, all based on what the top experts are doing right now. Let's get into it.
Yeah, this right here, this quote just gets right to the heart of it, doesn't it? This is the sound of someone who's done everything by the book, they've followed the standard advice, and they've just hit a wall. It's the perfect place for us to start because it really frames the problem we're trying to solve.
And you know what? This isn't just some one-off comment. It is such a familiar story for so many people who feel like they've plateaued and are just desperate for some real new answers. So the typical story goes something like this. We're talking about someone who's been dealing with hair loss for, say, 15 years. They're focused on that receding hairline, maybe some thinning at the crown. They did what they were told, right? They used the standard stuff. But now, nothing. The progress has just completely stalled out. So how do you break through that plateau? Well, this is where the modern approach really begins, and it starts with a total shift in how you think about the problem. You got to understand that the root of the issue isn't just on your scalp. Nope, it goes way, way deeper. And here's the key idea, the big insight. Hair loss is multifactorial. What does that mean? Well, think of it less like a single light switch you can just flip on or off, and more like a super complex web of interconnected systems in your body. If you only try to fix one little thread in that web, you're totally missing the bigger picture. You're not getting to the real root cause. So because it's this complex web, you can't just jump to the fancy high-tech procedures. That's not how it works. This new approach demands that you build a solid health foundation first. The entire system has to be running smoothly before you can even think about effectively targeting the hair itself. And just look at this checklist. I mean, this is so much more than a simple checkup. This is a deep, deep dive into your body's most critical systems. We're talking about balancing all your hormones, fighting inflammation, checking for autoimmune problems. It means optimizing literally everything, from your thyroid and vitamin D levels to how your body handles insulin and even your stress hormones, like cortisol. And let me be clear, according to the experts, this isn't optional. This is the absolute, non-negotiable first step. Okay, so let's say you've done all that foundational work. Your body is optimized. Now what? Well, this is where it gets really exciting. Now we can start talking about the cutting-edge stuff, the interventions that are at the very peak of modern hair restoration. You can really see the evolution here. In the past, the go-to advanced treatment was PRP, right? Where they'd take your blood, spin it down, and inject the platelet-rich plasma back into your scalp. But honestly, science has moved on. Today, the focus is on way more powerful and targeted tools, things like exosomes and stem cells, which can send much more precise signals for regeneration. So what does this new intervention actually look like? Well, it's a really precise two-step process. First, they inject stem cells right into the scalp. Think of these as the fundamental building blocks for new growth. Then, for step 2, they microneedle the surface. This creates these tiny channels that let them deliver exosomes and a special cocktail of peptides right where they need to go, basically sending a direct message to those hair follicles to wake up and get back to work. Now, I just mentioned peptides. You might be wondering, what exactly are those? The simplest way to think about them is as tiny messengers. They're these short chains of amino acids that act as signaling molecules. And their job is to give your cells very specific instructions. In this case, the instruction is to repair tissue and kickstart regeneration. And the formula here is incredibly specific. We're not talking about just any random blend of peptides. It's a precise combination of 3 key players: BPC 157, which is famous for its healing abilities, TB4, which is great for reducing inflammation and helping cells move, and GHKCU, which is absolutely crucial for stimulating new blood vessels. You put them all together and you get this powerful synergistic effect that's way beyond what any one of them could do alone. So, what's the big takeaway from all this? Modern hair restoration has officially moved past the idea of a single magic bullet. It's a full-on, 2-stage strategy. First, you have to build a rock-solid foundation of health. Then, and only then, do you bring in these highly advanced, super-targeted treatments. This kind of personalized, whole-body approach, that's the future. And this brings us to a really fascinating final thought. As our understanding gets deeper and our treatments become this personalized and multi-layered, I mean, we're talking about addressing everything from your hormones to your stem cells, you have to wonder, does this mean that a future where major hair loss just isn't a thing anymore is inevitable? It's a pretty powerful idea to think about. Thanks for tuning in.